Hi friends, welcome to TutusFunny channel. Today I am going to teach about the UI UX design secrets. Okay, so this video is very helpful for you all to learn web designing. Those who are interested in web design and UI UX design. Okay, so first we have a simple template. So I didn't implement any images yet over here. It's just simple template. So here this template, how to made this one as well. So here these are the some sites you can go, some education website or business website, you can have a look. Or this kind of this colors also very nice colors, you can match with this colors. All things you have to observe there when you're making the websites also. Okay, this is a colors. Okay, so this is a courses, how they made this one. So this is how the UI design. So here UI UX design. Okay, this is UX. Okay, this one should be, so we are the user have easy to see this website and easy to clickable, the whole things are we have to observe. Okay, so now here, now what I'm going to do is the Figma. What I'm going to do is I'm going to make the web template for desktop. So what I'm going to do is your frame. This is a frame. Click on the frame. Here you can see the size at the left side, right side. So I'm going to go to the desktop version. So that will click on the desktop. Okay, desktop. This clicks desktop. You can see this desktop size. So after that, what you're going to do is click on it. So go below. There's the option J guide. Click on this option. Here you have to make it as column. Column you have to default, you have to enter in for the website, you have to 12. Okay, press enter key. So 12. So margin we have to give as, so here's 80. 80 mean left and right, here to set as 80 margin. Okay, this is our desktop. Okay, here where you can do the implementation process. So here already we have did some sites. So here you can see over here the sites. Okay, so here I'm going to this one, you have to the same thing. I just this text I'm going to just Control C to copy this text. I'm going to move it over here. Here also this my desktop on this one, desktop one. I'm going to paste it over this text. Okay, this coloring I'm going to change it as a colors something red. Okay, you will be able to see the color. So here we can see, here this is the palette, you can see this palette. Okay, so here we are also the same thing, you have to this palette, you can see that palette. Okay, okay, so I'm going to get this palette also, that rectangle shape. You just flow it the rectangle. Okay, rectangle, your color you have to choose from blue, dark blue. Now this one you have to make it as a white. So you can see the outfit, it's not, we can't see it because its rectangle is above this one. So you have to click, put above, the lay above, you can see this clearly. This is how you can make it this simply, properly, the way. This is how you can do the sides very properly. Okay, this 18 sort you can see simply. So the offer, you can see this offer, you can see make it a sides and this rectangle shape. So you have to draw on it. So simply you have to get the this rows shapes, you have to draw over here. Okay, over here you have to shape it over here. 20 pixel, it's too much. 10, it's so far good. So here are the text, we have to write climb offer, make it as a text. Click on it over here. Okay, so you have to make it as a bold, make it as bold. So here bold. Okay, this everything you have to do it. Okay, so that color here should be, you have to make it as a color, you have to use a different color. Okay, this one should be fine. Okay, this should be fine. The dark, if you go dark, don't go the dark, this light is fine. This is how you make it a web template, simple. Claim offer, so you have to write it simply, you have to arrange it. Simple. Simply you have to hold on the control key down and scroll mouse scroll wheel, so you can zoom and zoom on, zoom in, zoom out. Okay, this is simply properly we have to do the websites. Okay, this is simple way to we have to implement the websites. Okay, this is how we have to implement the website simple. The same thing do here as well. You have to put the same thing. This is the size. Okay, so size, so you have to write here that ma so you have to specify the height, right? Little bit 8 height on that height, it's good. Okay, okay, so color I'm going to make it as a color. Something this color, this also fine. Okay, the color combination you must. So the same text you have to write saving, put it to here. So this color saving, this text size would be 75. You can decrease if you want. Okay, click on it here. Now what I'm going to do is here, click on the fill color, right? So this is how we have make the websites. Okay, so you have tried, you can put the images you want, all things you can take care of it. Okay, simple way you have to implement the way, right? So that if you want to make the images, here we have to, this one should be got a child win, just a website name. You can write child win, so child win, so website, you can name it like this. Okay, so if you want to make it something, the photos and everything, you can go over here. You can make it the back files, okay, so the you can read the black files. Okay, so here we can see, check on it the images, community, something, the you can see some you can see this designs, the here this websites, the portfolio, that wedding photography, there are a lot of things are there. So that I'm going to do some marketing. So marketing, here you can see the what is the text you are typing upon the result will be displayed. The marketing components are there, so you will be able to download them and put into your web page. Okay, that's the thing, you have to do it simple, right? So simple way you have to do it. Okay, so the marketing, so there are a lot of templates are there. Okay, so you have to implement it over here, right? So I'm going to go to my design again, child again, for the recent project and open it. Okay, so that we have to implement it over here. So now what I'm going to do is here, this is fine, this will be fine. You have to implement the images and everything. So far you have to continue this one. So after that you can see that that one you can click design mode. This is design mode. Okay, this is a code executive codes, that row, this actions, the actions, we have click on the actions. Here you can check everything here. There are many options are there on the actions as plugins, so there are many options are there. So now what I've done is, now again I'm going to go to one component, I'm going to this a page, so I'm going to get this one. So design component, this is must. The design component is a must. Okay, sometimes this design component you can write, this is a one button. I'm going to implement one button. This button I'm going to insert color, white color, text would be black, event, just like that. Okay, okay, so that we have to increase the font a little bit bigger. Then your font you have to write as a you can see it, open chats, this is a good font. Okay, so you have to make it like this, so you have to display the size. put it here, 18th, 20th, go here, click on it, corner, 20th, or 10th, both are selected, these two things both are selected, aligned, center aligned, everything are selected, make it full nice. So I'm going to again resize the font little bit, 18th, can select this one, 8, perfect. So this one font I'm going to little bit bold, something. So I'm going to go get something colors. I'm going to change the colors and all. These colors also I'm going to change it as here. I'm going to change it as black. So that's it. So nice. Oh, it's very nice. So very nice things. And now what I'm going to show, I'm just copy this right. This design component. Right click on it. Create component. You have to make it as create component. Okay. Now go to the page. This page also we have to use this component. You click assets. The assets you can see that components. Okay, so here this component, this what's the name, design component, depend. Okay, so that you go to here design component. The design components are there. Here this is design component is there. It's coming. Okay, so you go to pages, design component. Here it's there. Okay, if you click on it, it's coming here. Now this one, every pages you can use this component, any problem. Okay, you can use this component every pages without designing. You can use in the this component every pages. Okay, you can use like this. Okay, so this is the reuse component. Okay, this is meaning of the reuse component. You can design once, you can use it anywhere of the page. Design once. Okay, you don't have to design each and every time. If you are design one, this is a design component. This is meaning of design component. Okay, these are the Figma secrets. Okay, this is very important stuff. Okay, this is very important stuff. You have to keep remember this one. We have this kind of things are available in Figma. Okay, after that you can go to that there are many things are there. You have to go to the things like that. So that after that I'm going to go to that the same thing. Have to moving to the colors. You can use the colors, the UI colors. The color combination is must. When you are here, you can see these colors. The colors are very awesome colors. Okay, so the colors you have to always observe the colors. When you are designing the web pages, you have to observe the colors. There is a website which name is UI colors. You can see this. This is a tailwind. The tailwind color generator. So you have to see this the colors. Mostly this is the very best sites. Pick up the colors and all. You can see this colors everything. You can generate the colors of prime colors. You can do that these colors as well. The color codes, you can see this color codes here. This here dark blue, this how the color combination work. This here you can get that idea of the colors, how the colors are works. These color codes also you can get the idea which the colors are. This is the dark, it's dark, going to be light. Okay, you can get the idea. Every colors you can get the idea of it. If it is red also you can see the idea red, how the reds works. If it is a dark red, how the dark red's going to light red. So these are the color combination you are keeping. Remember, this is very must when you are implementing the websites. Okay, the UI colors. With this color combination, if you go to that Figma, is there. Go to that Figma design. So that here this action, you can set UI colors. You can just type colors. Pick colors. No. So that colors. Action you have to colors. You have to that colors assets plugins. Okay, here you can see the plugins. You go to the plugins. Color UI. check in UI. Here is UI colors. Here this UI colors. Here this UI colors. Okay, you can see this colors palettes are there. Here you can see here. Okay, that is there. Here it is loading. If you click on it, it's loading. It is added your colors and all everything. Okay, it's loading. Okay, there are things are available predefined. You can go to and search and you can get the color. You can have it the color and all. Okay, these are plenty of options available in Figma. You don't worry about this. Everything is take care of Figma. Color palettes are there. Okay, you can get the color here as well. Okay, so after that we are going to go to that designs. If you have considered design, so another site is called that stack shorted. These are best sites. So the UI design, you will get the idea. So when you're making the websites, so that's board effects, the button effects. You can see the buttons, how the buttons are there of the websites. You can get the idea of it. This video is very helpful for you all to learn. Okay, so these are the, when you making the website, these are the buttons. You have to check the how the buttons styles are there in the interest areas. Okay, these are the buttons. The very best button styles are working. So the border effects, how the border effects, here it's cards. Okay, so everything. So the border effects, how the border effects comes. So the cards also the very must nowadays here. The card is very nice card implementation. You can see here. Okay, so that this kind of a card, this kind of card. So there are plenty of card designs. Okay, you can make the idea which one I'm going to use it on my website. So these are the designs are there. The grid. Okay, the grid designs. Okay, these are the designs are very best. Okay, this kind of designs the foreign websites are using. The UK, US. These are kind of cards are simple cards design they are using. The grid designs. Okay. Hamberman, the Hamberman for the mobile responses, so how they are look like headers. How the headers are designed. So the headers also you can see this kind of a designs. UI effects. Okay, so there are plenty of things you can check on the progress bar. Okay, the search bar. Okay, these are the things you can go to your stack shorter. You can check on it and gain the good idea. Before you can design the website. This is very must. This all if you are implemented, these are the things in your mind. Your website is perfectly designed. Okay, you can know your design is very perfect. Okay, so that we have to keep remember these are the things. Okay, this is very must. Right, so that real time colors, that's another site which name is real time colors. Okay, this real time colors. You can go ahead to the real time colors. You can see this is the colors here. You can primary, you can see this prime here. Colors are changed. You can see this color codes and all. Here also you can get the color idea here. This is a Figma plugin also. Real time colors. Okay, you can see that colors. There are different text coloring. Everything you can check on it here. Text coloring. The fonts. Okay, so that colors and primary here you can see the I implemented this color here. This you can check on the color how the entire website works. This all the colors you can pick up this color if you implemented this color. This is good. If you check on the colors how the here this completely UI design is there. So you can implement the color which one is good here. These colors if you implement this color entire website how the website look like. Before you can walk into the website, you can think about the colors and all. Okay, this color is also very nice here. Okay, so these are the things you have to observe when you are making the website. These are the things you have to consider. Okay, what color you are going to use, what is the color, text color we are going to use, what are the component we are going to design, what are the this component is match with the background color, everything the text is clear, the user can easily visible, it is easy to read. So all things we have to consider before you have to make the website, otherwise we website going to fail. So these are the things you have to consider when you are making the website. Okay, these are the best practice session. Okay, you have gained the idea. So this is very important stuff, right? These are the very best websites you can note of it. Or here this one. This is for finding the icons. Okay, this for your websites. You can find out icons. There are people are asking where I'm going to find the icons. So this is the websites where we can find the beautiful consist icons. So here this is here there are best icons are there. Okay, there you can get these icons. You can use them. Okay, beautiful consistent icons. Okay. Okay, so this is for our icon. When you implement the icon on your mobile phone icon, this is all the icons will be, we can use it for our, here this is the icon. This is a copy this svg file and can use it. Okay, simple things we have to implement. Okay, the very simple things we can implement it of that Figma. Okay, so they are, I just copy and implement it. Oh, it's come here. Now here the only things you have to fill the color, selected color red. Okay, simple here. The color icon is there. Now you just go over here, copy the icon. I need disco icon, click on it. Okay, this copy the SVG back to my Figma, paste on it. Icon would be there. Click on that icon. I would be change the color as simply color. Okay, these are things we have to do it. Okay, I think you are uh, you can see the term group, and again you have to change the color. Okay, right. So I think you hope you can understand this all things well. Okay, so let's moving to that another things. Okay, okay, next let's move into that another things, color construct checker. This is also the best sites for our color construct. Okay, these are the sites you note of it, simple note of it, so that these are the best sites. Okay, the color correction and everything. When you are the designer, if you are a designer, you must know these techniques. Okay, so that if without knowing these design techniques, you cannot make the website beauty. Okay, attractive. So that we have to learn these are the, what are the site I gave, these are site you just go to. Okay, so what the thing is, internet connection is little bit slow, that's why it takes a bit. Okay, this color construct here, this also you can check it, the colors here. You can see this colors here, text colors, and that this also here, how the, if you implement this color, how this card look like. If you implement this color, how this text look like. So these are the very best practice. Okay, it's a best practice. So when you implement this, the very best practice. So this, if you learn, you can learn it. This is very quickly. Okay, this is a very essential stuff to learn. The color construct. So here you can implement this card, out the cards looks. That if you are implemented this color, this how the looks. So here everything you will be able to check it. Check it. Okay, perfect. I hope you will be able to do this one. Right. Now let's move into our Figma. This is our Figma. Figma, we successfully, this how we have designed the websites from the scratch. So I just give the how the designers works. I gave the all the tricks. So again, I want to do that. This is our desktop version. I want to implement the mobile version. How to do this? Click on this frame. Here you can select this the phone. Okay, so I am going to get this one, iPhone 16 Pro. Click on it there. This is the mobile responsive. The mobile responsive also, what I'm going to do is click on it. I want to get the grid wave. Okay, you have to make it as 5. So you have to make it as column, this one, not grid, column. Make it as 5. Also make it a 5. Here margin, you have to give it as 20. It would be 5. This now here all the contents you have to put it inside this grid. Okay, we have click on this one. You have to get the copy. Hold on the Alt and get another copy. So here we have to we have to this one. This also I'm going to get that things both. Okay, hold on the Alt and get the copy of that one. Okay, so here, right, get the copy, so that we have to put it above, event above. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to do the thing is here we have to reduce the things. Click both, you have to arrange them like that. You have to zoom it, put something like that. Okay, this sound you have to do that. You have to, now what I'm going to see, this is your design. Okay, so the what I'm going to see, having have to font, I'm going to change it as simple, size it extra 36, but clearly we have to see the font. Okay, that's a must. This font we have to clearly see, check, so that we have to check it. Okay, this is how we have to arrange them. Okay, you have to make it the alignment and everything, you have to make it like that. Okay, the simple way you have to do it, right? So that according to the way you have to do it. Okay, so that texting and everything, so this texting also we can get there over here. Texting also we can this, you have to make it as a black. Okay, white coloring you have to change it as a white. Okay, so the white, so this is the color. This one, how to arrange it, this one for the desktop. So I'm going to mobile, let's click on it here, drag it over here. So mobile, mobile also what I'm going to, we have to do this one, we have to do this on the mobile also, that we have to do the color. So this text color also you can go over here, just like that. You have to change it the font size little bit small like that. You can get them over here, and you have to make it this one as a white. Okay, okay, so that here you have to go over here. Okay, here just also you can do the thing is simply here, this here can align here like this. Okay, can align like this simply, something. If you want a photo, you can alignment, right? Like this here, this photo, something the user easily can read. Okay, that's how we have make it this one. So this one also you can select it like this way. The mobile also you can put like this way. The user can readable way. Okay, this is a mobile response. This is how we can make the mobile response very efficient. Okay, very simple. This is how we have to implement the sites very attractive. This is how we have do the components. This one, while you are doing the components, you can observe the coloring, and the user easily can read or not, everything you can observe. Okay, right? The simple, these are the things you have to use. This, after that you can use the competitors website, look like this way, how they made the design, so how the mobile response are there, how the responsive works. Okay, so the everything you can check on it. Okay, that's the things, that's the best practice for implementing the websites and all. Okay, all right, so these are the things, the most important things I'm going to I want to teach you. Okay, so that here there are icons, we have to implement the icons. They can see that there are a lot of icons. Yeah, you can use these or the icons, you can test of it. These are the icons are there. Here you can rename. Okay, so that there are a lot of things are available. Okay, so we can go things, these are things you can go along with these things. They are very important assets of the Figma. Thank you for watching.